So, what is our software development model that we work with various clients? So, one of the most biggest model that we work is definitely end-to-end software development from ideation till the maintenance and support, so that client comes just with the idea and we sit with them and provide them a suggestion on how the solution should be, and take the entire development within us from design, development, testing, hosting, support. Either the particular product is sold to an investor or is acquired by any other company. So most of the time that's our development process, or end-to-end application development from the ideation stage of a new idea. And for a digital transformation on the of any other company, that we just take the development and do 1 or 2 months of support, and after that their tech team will be able to take over the maintenance, and for any additional features alone they come to us. So that's another business model that we work on. And that if the company is also a very big technology company, they take care of the QA, so we only provide the development activities from our side, so that they check the quality and ensure, like from then on the staging and the other environments they used to take care. So these are the business models that we use in our thing. And we currently don't do any staff augmentation or sending a staff as a contract basis to anywhere. So these are things that we don't do, and we are an end-to-end custom software development company, and also we are like a product-based development company where we own our own vsEcom software products. These are the business models that we work on. Thank you.